How are you, students? I hope everyone is fine. In previous lecture, we completed our block number 5, creepy crawly animal. So today we are going to discuss about the practice question on this block, creepy crawly animals. Okay, students, then let's start. First question. Name the body part of an insect. So students, tell me the name of the body part of an insect. Yes, very good. The head, thorax, abdomen, legs, wings, antenna, and eyes are the common body part of an insect. Okay, students, then let's we move on question number 2. Question number 2. How do antenna help insect? The antenna help an insect to feel or touch. They are also known as feelers. They help the insect to smell and taste too. Okay, students. Then we move on. Question number 3. Question number 3 is, why do earthworms come out of the soil when it rains? Okay, students, tell me the answer of this question. Why do earthworms comes out of the soil when it rains? Yes, students, tell me. Yes, very good. The earthworms came out of the soil when it rains because the ground fills up with water. This makes it difficult for them to breathe inside. Okay, students. Then we move on question number 4. Our question number 4 is, what helps a grasshopper hop around the garden? Grasshoppers have two legs that are longer than their other legs. Also, their back legs have powerful muscles and that help them to jump high or hop. Okay, students, understood? Then let's move on. Question number 5. Question number 5. If you were to invite ants for dinner, what would you give them to eat? Yes, students, tell me that answer. If you were to invite ants for dinner, then what would you give them to eat? Yes, what would you give to them to eat? Yes, ants like to eat anything and everything. If I were to treat them, I would give them sweet things like bread and jam, chocolates, juice, and pastries. Okay, students. Then we move on question number 6. Question number 6. Write two difference between the body of an earthworm and a cockroaches. Yes, students, tell me the difference between the body of an earthworm and a cockroach. Yes. Yes. Okay. The body of a cockroach is divided into three parts. First is the head, second is thorax, and third is abdomen. So whereas an earthworm has only a head and no thorax and no abdomen. So a cockroach has 6 legs, and whereas an earthworm has no legs. So question number 7. Why do you think butterflies sit on flower? Yes, friends. Why do you think butterflies sit on flower? Yes, butterfly seek nectar from flower. Yes, very good, students. Butterflies sit on flower to suck the sweet nectar from them, and nectar is food for butterflies. Yes, question number 8. Why do you think mosquito bite us? Yes, friends, tell me. Why do you think mosquito bites us? What is the reason? Why they can why The mosquito bites us. Yes, students, tell me. Yes, mosquito bite us to suck the blood from our body, and blood is food for them. Okay, students, here we completed our question answer on block number 5th. Okay, students, bye. Stay home and stay safe.